Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an event on Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to edit how long your events are, or maybe you want to edit the notifications on an event. How do you actually go ahead about doing that? So on Calendly, this is what it looks like here. You want to click on the event in which you want to edit. And then on the left-hand side here, you can edit it in multiple ways. You can edit the event details. You can edit the hosts and invitees. You can edit how far along in the future people can schedule appointments with you. You can edit the booking page options, and you can also set up notifications and workflows. So if I want to edit these details here, I'll just say one-off meeting, and you can set the duration here. The location is set to Google Meet, and you can add the descriptions and instructions. So with Calendly, they have a very easy to use interface as far as editing events goes. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit events on Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.